off we go again. So, well then, welcome to Rupert's weekly property show. This time it's the last show for this year, so I think the weather has already decided to stop supporting me. As you can see, it's grey sky. It's not raining. It's about 15 degrees, 15, 16 degrees at the moment. It was pretty chilly this morning with 11 degrees, and I'm standing here on a penthouse apartment on the second floor in block 14. On Condado de Alhama Golf Resort, looking at the Jack Nicklaus signature golf course, and actually it's a golf course, no doubt about, but I don't see any golf player. I think it's too cold or whatever. So, welcome to this beautiful 2-bed, 1-bathroom apartment. As you can see, it's a corner unit, so we have great views, also a side. Means we have a decent view following the sun all day long, if there would be sun, obviously, yeah. But I promise we have about 320 days of sunshine here in the region of Murcia, so the sun will be guaranteed, more or less. Otherwise, I'm showing you today a 2-bed, 1-bathroom apartment, which has some mod cons installed, and it's also, as they say, it's all about location. Also in this case, it's also a location property, no doubt about. Which provides some mod cons and still leaves enough room for improvements. They did some of the improvements that the owners did already, so we have awnings here aside and on top. As you can see, there's it's split awnings on top and one aside. And there is an additional window put in, which helps because the main wind direction is the so-called Levante wind, which is where the sun rises. So this is quite useful because this avoids heavy winds coming in. So having said that, having seen this beautiful terrace, as you can see, it's nice and decent outside furnishing. And we just walk into the property, where you can see a fully furnished apartment. Again, as always, not included our listing agent. In this case, it's a joint listing between me and the listing agent, but thank you very much for supporting me again in this beautiful apartment, which is, by the way, reference 3783 on our dedicated webpage, qualityhomescostacalida.com. You find it as well on murciadreams.com under the same reference, 3783. Asking price is only 79,900, and I think it's a good value for money, taken into account that we have a corner unit, which is equipped with air conditioning in all rooms, and has an asset, which is to me a real asset, which is, as silly as it sounds, this window. As we are a corner unit, we do have this additional window, and I think it really improves the setup here because it defines on the one side the dining area space, and it provides on the other side light, and in this case a beautiful view looking down to the playground and garden area of Condado de Alhama Golf Resort. So it's a sin.
Really sitting here after 5 minutes, you already feel your blood pressure lower.
Oh, well then.
Very zen, this green view. Oh,
then I should stay here for some minutes.
Maybe I should buy it.
Yeah, maybe you should buy it. There we go. Okay, make an offer. Well, happy days. This is now the kitchen. As you can see, fitted with dishwasher, microwave, kettle, toaster, oven hob extractor fan, a large fridge freezer, and all other necessary mod cons. Let's see if there is also, yes, there's also cutlery and all this. Oh, there's not a big deal in here. Okay, so this is rather basic. So there's room for putting your own stamp on it. Having said that, most important part of the living room is as well the bedrooms. So I show you here the master bedroom, which has direct access or direct exit to the terrace and beautiful views on the golf course. So in this case, it's a double bed with bedside table, fitted wardrobes in both bedrooms, and as well air conditioning. Quite nicely set up. I think we have a Norwegian owner here, so it's pretty decent furnishing. Having seen that, we come to the second bedroom. 2 single beds, bedside table. Yes, I mean, there's not a lot to explain in here. As you know, we have fitted wardrobes again, and I'm showing you just how this looks like. And again, air conditioning in the second bedroom as well. Last but not least, our bathroom. There is an additional towel heater here, which also works as a heating. That's quite comfortable. And otherwise, we have Rupert in the mirror, and we have a bathtub here with a glass shower screen. So, yeah, I mean, that's a decent bathroom, which has everything necessary. And most important, the mirror. Thank you very much. Okay, so having seen that, just let me show you the outside of this place.
Careful the keys in the lock.
Careful, keys in the lock, so I hope it's not slamming and I can come back in. No, it's okay, it has a thingy on. Yes, has a door handle on it. So this is now, well, not to say the backside, but that's obviously the entrance situation to the apartment here. By the way, you see us dealing here with our for sale boards because we have here a very funny situation that our for sale boards are disappearing. I cannot imagine that this has anything to do with our competition who had the apartment for sale for some while. I have no idea if this has any connection to that, but it's really weird that now we're putting up the fourth for sale board on the same property and they disappear. I shouldn't say overnight, but within 2 or 3 days, we will double check again and it might be gone again. So whoever sees somebody in block 14 nicking for sale board from Quality Homes, please bring them back. They're expensive to us and nobody else can do anything with it. So just bring them back and we are happy. We will not talk about it anymore. So as we said, it's a corner unit, so we have decent views down there. We also have a parking spot, which is exactly where you do see my car over there. That's the branded car. This would be the parking space for this apartment, so pretty easy, also located close to the entrance and close to the elevator. We are talking about a penthouse apartment here, so community fees will be around 125 euros per month, including all services provided by the community and as well, for example, internet connection. Each property on site has its own Wi-Fi router. We are connected through a glass fiber network, which means that each property is provided with a 100 megabit up and download line included in our community fees. And all other services as security, pool cleaning, gardening, street cleaning, street lighting, you name it, we have it. It all comes with our community fees, which is paid to the community of owners, where we are all part of it. So I think that's quite a positive and good setup. Well, we are back on the main terrace. I think I have not shown you the outside cupboard. In the outside cupboard, we have hidden a washing machine, and, well, some other mod cons, what people are using, beach chairs, yes, as you can see. No? And there's also the water heater in there, so the water heater is electric. Happy days, this always works, no issues, and we always have warm water. Okay, so this is a beautiful apartment, as I said, 2 bedroom, 1 bathroom, reference 3783 on our dedicated webpage, qualityhomescostacalida.com. Offers, obviously, as you know, always welcome. We will try to negotiate the best solution for you. Apart from that, it won't get any more sunny now. It won't get sunnier now than it has been 10 minutes ago. So, yeah, that's what it is. But as you can see, the views are really breathtaking. We're looking down to Totana. We're looking to Lorca. We have, well, the countryside, mountains in the back, and obviously the golf course in front, pretty prominent. So it's a place to stay up here, yeah? Decent views. Orientation-wise, we are talking southwest. So we have sun here as of, well, on the terrace, we have sun here as it nearly goes up, as the sun goes up somewhere over there behind La Isla, and then makes its way through until it goes down somewhere over there. So that's also for people who are looking for the sun. That's the place to be. So ideal also for winter, when it's not that warm here, as maybe today, as you heard before, it's about 15 degrees. So yes, this is ideal. And with what they have installed already, I don't think that there's a big deal to invest here. You might say, well, the furnishing in the future might, yes, happy days, that's down to taste. But otherwise, I think it's all in pretty good nick. Has not been rented out, as I remember. I've been only told that it has been only used by the owners and their family. So this means that there are also not many signs of wear and tear, because I do see here the light switches and all that, which is normally a good sign to see if this place has been occupied a lot or used a lot. So this is all pretty new and clear to me. So I would say that's correct. This has never been rented out except for the owners and their family. So, what else to say, Anna? Have I forgotten anything? Because in the last show, I don't want to forget anything, no? Because we should finish the year with decent information. So we are talking about reference 3783 or 3783 on our qualityhomescostacalida.com webpage. Asking price is 79,900, and Yeah, otherwise you find all details, virtual tour, a decent description, loads of photos on our webpage, qualityhomescostacalendar.com, reference 3783. And
Viewings anytime.
viewings
Online,
anytime,
live,
could be virtual viewings, could be viewings in presence.
Yeah,
So,
Rupert is going on holiday, but Anna's staying here, so feel free to call me.
okay, so you lifted the secret already. Yes, I will go away for a month. We will be on holidays until the 29th of December. The office will be manned at least until the 20th of December, but we have always somebody on site. So in case there is any necessity, my team will be always here to answer your questions and to be helpful in case you want to purchase a property or just need some more information to make an informed decision. So, happy days here from Quality Homes Costa Calida. Enjoy your Christmas. Happy New Year, and I'm looking forward to see you in January again. We don't know yet when we will exactly start because we have loads of homework to do in January before we start the next season. So stay tuned, please, and watch out for the next announcement when Quality Homes will go live again with Rupert's weekly property show. In the meantime, Merry Christmas, stay safe, Happy New Year, take care, and most important, God bless. Cheers, bye.